Hello everyone, let's check how can we fix this issue. I'm building my application and this application is throwing this error, Android resource linking failed. First of all, let's run the application so you can see how my application is throwing this error. So you can see this error is actually coming from one of my files, which is layout activity note editor. This is the file, and if I copy this error message and go to Google, you see this is saying something else, the error attribute hint blah 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 not found, this thing. And if you go to the Stack Overflow, the people are saying just do something changing in your build or Gradle and downgrade or upgrade your target SDK, but all these are bullshit. It doesn't work at all. So what you need to do, you need to just read your error message carefully, that what it's saying is like your applications is actually has this layout, where this layout has the node editor, and on the line 30 there is error, and that error is coming from attribute hint. So what we need to do, we just need to open our activity node editor, which is actually mentioned here, and we need to go find this one, the 30 and line 52. So first let's go to the line 30, which is actually here. This is our line 30, and here they say the hint attribute is actually not found. So what we need to do is just delete from here, and that one we can just put over here, hint. We can just say, what was that? The 30 title. So we can just put that hint over here. And remove from here since it cannot be found there. And now let's go to the line 52, which is mentioned here. And that one is here. We can just copy from here and put it over here. Okay, so nothing more, nothing much. Now we have changed our line 30 and line 52. Let's run our application if it's throw the same error again. Okay, now we have on the line 62 on this one, the node editor. Let's go to the line 62. So we have line 62 here, scroll bar vertical, and they said the hint actually cannot be found here also. Okay, what we do, we just remove the hint from here and also from here. And now let's run our application. Okay, so we have successfully resolved our issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.